In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, achieving sustainable growth is paramount for any organization aspiring to thrive. Traditional marketing approaches often fall short, necessitating innovative strategies. Growth operations, or growth ops, emerges as a transformative force, empowering businesses to unlock unprecedented levels of expansion. Growth ops focuses on data-driven experimentation, cross-functional collaboration, and scalable growth processes. By embracing growth ops, businesses can navigate complexities, optimize efforts, and achieve sustainable growth. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Do like and comment on the video. Growth operations aligns people, processes, and technology to drive business growth. It fosters a culture of experimentation and data-driven decision-making. Imagine marketing, sales, and product teams working seamlessly, leveraging data insights. Growth ops is like a scientific experiment, constantly testing and iterating. It emphasizes data-driven decision-making over intuition. In today's hyper-competitive market, where customer acquisition costs are rising and attention spans are shrinking, businesses need every advantage they can get. Growth operations provides a strategic framework for achieving sustainable growth by optimizing customer acquisition. Growth ops helps businesses identify and target the most promising customer segments, optimize their marketing channels, and improve conversion rates at every stage of the customer journey, enhancing customer retention. By focusing on customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy, growth ops helps businesses reduce churn, increase customer lifetime value, and turn existing customers into brand evangelists. Driving product growth. Growth ops plays a crucial role in product development by gathering customer feedback, identifying areas for improvement, and ensuring that new features and products resonate with the target market. Improving operational efficiency. By automating processes, streamlining workflows, and fostering data-driven decision-making, growth ops helps businesses operate more efficiently, reduce costs, and maximize their return on investment. Growth operations is not limited to a specific department or team. It's a cross-functional discipline that involves individuals from various backgrounds, including growth marketers. These professionals are responsible for developing and executing data-driven marketing campaigns across multiple channels with a focus on growth and scalability. Data analysts play a crucial role in growth ops by collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to identify trends, patterns, and insights that can inform growth strategies. Product managers work closely with growth ops teams to ensure that new products and features are developed with a growth mindset, incorporating user feedback and data insights. Engineers are essential for implementing technical solutions, automating processes, and building the infrastructure needed to support growth ops initiatives. Customer success managers contribute to growth ops by ensuring customer satisfaction, reducing churn, and identifying opportunities for upselling and cross-selling. Section 5. Real-world growth operations in action. Illustrative examples. Let's explore some real-world examples of growth operations. Airbnb used growth ops to increase property listings by connecting hosts with professional photographers. Uber optimized its referral program, boosting new user acquisition. Netflix employs growth ops to personalize recommendations and reduce churn. Section 6. Essential skills for growth operations professionals. A toolkit for success. As growth operations continues to gain prominence, the demand for skilled professionals in this field is rapidly increasing. If you're considering a career in growth ops, here are some essential skills to develop. Proficiency in data analysis tools and techniques is crucial for extracting meaningful insights from data and making data-driven decisions. A strong understanding of experimental design, A/B testing, and statistical significance is essential for running effective growth experiments. Familiarity with marketing automation platforms such as HubSpot, Marketo, and Pardo is essential for automating marketing tasks, nurturing leads, and improving efficiency. A basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can be beneficial for implementing tracking codes, creating landing pages, and collaborating with engineers. Strong communication and collaboration skills are essential for working effectively with cross-functional teams, presenting findings, and advocating for data-driven decisions. Section 7. The future of growth operations. A glimpse into the evolving landscape. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, the field of growth operations is constantly evolving. Here are some key trends shaping the future of growth ops. AI and ML are playing an increasingly important role in growth ops, automating tasks, personalizing experiences, and providing predictive insights. ABM is becoming an integral part of growth ops, allowing businesses to target high-value accounts with personalized campaigns and tailored messaging. With growing concerns about data privacy, growth ops professionals need to adapt to a privacy-first approach, leveraging first-party data and respecting user consent. The rise of no-code, low-code tools is empowering marketers to build and implement growth experiments without relying heavily on engineers. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing growth operations for sustainable success. In conclusion, growth operations has emerged as an indispensable discipline for businesses striving to achieve sustainable growth in the digital age. By embracing a data-driven, experimental, and customer-centric approach, Growth Ops empowers organizations to optimize their customer acquisition and retention efforts, drive product innovation, and achieve their business objectives. As the business landscape continues to evolve, growth operations will undoubtedly play an increasingly pivotal role in shaping the success of organizations across industries. By fostering a culture of experimentation, investing in the right tools and technologies, and developing the essential skills, businesses can harness the power of growth ops to unlock unprecedented levels of growth and achieve sustainable success in the years to come. Section 9, Call to Action. Take the next step in your growth journey. Now that you have a solid understanding of growth operations, it's time to take the next step in your growth journey. Whether you're looking to implement growth ops principles in your own business or enhance your skills in this rapidly growing field, there are numerous resources available to help you succeed. Consider exploring online courses, attending industry conferences, or connecting with growth ops professionals to deepen your knowledge and expand your network. The future of growth belongs to those who are willing to embrace innovation, experiment relentlessly, and leverage the power of data to drive meaningful results. Are you ready to unlock your growth potential?